Thanks to EcoFlow for sponsoring this video. As homeowners look for more reliable ways to power and protect their homes, energy management is becoming just as important as smart home control. We're here at the EcoFlow booth at CES 2026 to learn about a new partnership and a broader initiative aimed at bringing those two worlds together. EcoFlow is announcing a collaboration with Homey by LG that connects EcoFlow's smart home energy management system with Homey's open smart home platform. Alongside that partnership, EcoFlow is also unveiling its new Ecosystem Alliance, a larger effort that brings together more smart home and appliance brands, inspired by the established collaborations of over 15 smart home leading brands. The goal of building the Ecosystem Alliance is to simplify how energy and smart home systems work inside the homes. Instead of managing separate platforms, the Ecosystem Alliance is designed to let EcoFlow's energy solutions connect directly with leading smart home systems and devices, creating a more unified and easier to manage experience. The new partnership is the integration with Homey by LG. EcoFlow's system already unifies solar generation, home batteries, household circuits, and smart appliances into a single energy platform. By working with Homey and its energy dongle, homeowners can now monitor, automate, and coordinate energy usage and connected devices from one interface without relying on additional third-party hardware. Homey's open approach allows EcoFlow's energy system to work alongside a wide range of smart home devices. That flexibility opens the door to real-world scenarios that go beyond basic monitoring. Homes can automatically run high-energy appliances when solar production is strongest, prioritize essential devices during outages, and adjust energy usage based on electricity pricing, battery levels, and solar output. These kinds of use cases are especially relevant for homeowners in regions like California, Florida, and Texas, where extreme weather outages and grid instability are an ongoing concern. The focus here is on reliability and preparedness, while also helping households improve efficiency and manage energy costs. Here at the booth, EcoFlow is also joined by its Smart Home Energy Ambassadors, a group of creators and technology experts invited to experience the Ecosystem Alliance firsthand. During guided walkthroughs, they're exploring how EcoFlow's system works across brands, sharing their impressions of the integrations, and highlighting the real benefits of compatibility and intelligent coordination. As part of the experience, the ambassadors are selecting standout EcoFlow products across the booth and marking them with recommendation stickers, offering their own perspective on which solutions best demonstrate EcoFlow's vision for a connected home energy ecosystem. As the Ecosystem Alliance begins rolling out globally in 2026, EcoFlow is using CES to offer an early look at what a more integrated, resilient home can look like when energy and smart home technology are designed to work as one. Thank you to EcoFlow for sponsoring this video and inviting us to their booth here at CES 2026. For more coverage from the show floor, stick with Digital Trends.